Hello, Porter here. Alright, so we're gonna be working on a lawnmower. Oh, and I got stains in my mouth. It was sitting here, but now it's over there. So yeah. It's an old mower. Looks like a bug. There it is. Just pop the hood. Open it up. You've got this, the cover thing I took off. We've got a new battery in it. It is a 6-speed, I believe. Pretty sure that's a 6-speed. Right? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start working on it. What can I say? Does that work? That should work. Yeah. Okay. So, we got the air filter. You know, it'd be fun to use this and to just like absolutely whack the crap out of someone. Just like, it's also jiggly. Alright, we're gonna set that there. Oh, I see the problem. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yep. This is... Will it work? No, it will not. The 930. It will not work. What about you? Knowing the truth, it will not work. This has gotta fit. Like, it's too big. It actually will not fit. Wrench. Use the wrench. There we go. Yeah, it was a really nice day out here. Surprisingly warm, even though it's winter time. Oh, y'all should go check out Stir Bob's new channel. It's Sterling's Garage. He just started it, so y'all should go check out his channel. Yeah. Got it. Alright, now for the moment of truth. Is it gonna come off? Yes, it is. You got it. Look at that. Oh, and the screen. Okay. There we go. Got it. Give y'all a closer look. We've got all this. It's a little dirty in there. I'm gonna try to clean that out. Here's the fan. Oh, it doesn't spin. It does spin. Is that the exhaust? I don't know what that does. Oh, that goes to the air filter. Check the oil. It's not. Is this a better spot to put it down? I'm sure that they have it like that. Is that? Still feel like that's fine. If I have it like that. Oh yeah, that's way better. I think that's better. Can I zoom in a little bit? Okay. So this is what I'm working with. This right there. That's what I'm working with. Just give me a second. There we go. That should. I'm thinking of getting some new tires for it. Let me know what y'all think I should turn it into. I'm either thinking a mudding lawnmower, a drag lawnmower, or a rallying mower. Like a rally car, but a lawnmower. So let me know what y'all think. Okay. Oh, and y'all want to know why it's so dirty? Because we left it in a shed for a couple years, and the rats, or a rat made a rat's nest in it, so that's why it's so dirty. Oh gosh, the line's been chewed. That might be a problem. You know, that might be the problem why it's not started. Let me show you this. Look at that. It's been chewed. I don't think that's really, no, I don't think that's good. Wait a minute. Somehow get that onto there. We're gonna try that. Okay. You know, what if I just got a whole thing for it? Just take out the. might be fun. I don't know the problem. I really don't know. Oh, this came out now. So what is it? Oh yeah, the oil's good. Focus up. You guys see that? I don't know if you can see that or not, but the oil is fine. Oh yeah, it's like full. Yeah, for sitting around for a couple years, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I really don't know what to do. Let's try getting a battery. What are the chances I get shocked? Can you find it? Does the positive go on first or does the negative go on first? Okay, I'm gonna look this up real quick. Alright, I'm back. Positive does go on first. Alright, yeah, positive goes on first. I need one size up. And that's too big. This part. I don't know if I should be using my hands for this. Is it just me or y'all always get scared whenever you're messing with the batteries? Because personally, I'm a little bit scared. Because I don't want to get shocked and die. Now, the scary part, or the extra scary part, putting the other one on. Picture over here. I am terrified. touch it? Yeah, we're good. Now, I'm terrified actually. No, we're gonna take this out. No. I'm scared. Hey, we all have to conquer our fears, right? I shouldn't get zapped. Watch me get electrocuted the second I say this. Ugh. I'm not the only one that gets scared whenever you do this, right? Right? Ugh. I'm probably not gonna die. Crap. Oh, crap. It found the hole. Okay. Well. Yeah. Oh no, that's too good. Alright. Oh no. We don't need two going into the hole of death. Okay. Oh no, that's fine. Time to take out the battery. How do we take out the battery? Do I know how to take out the battery? Oh. Maybe I'm just slow. Dang, batteries are heavy. We got the battery out. Wait. Okay. I did it. Yeah, I did it. I got the thing. Whoa, that stinks. That's something very stupid. Very, very stupid. This does not smell good. Ah. Alright. Electronicity is very scary. Man. Y'all just like ever just like working on like in your vehicle or something, or like a lawnmower or a car, and then you just like you drop something and then it causes a explosion and it causes you to do a double backflip into space, and then you fly out of our galaxy and then the whole world blows up. Because personally, that happens to me all the time. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. I got nothing done. In the next video, we're going to, I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah. Alright, bye.